Hi all, Matt again from Second Amendment Gunsmithing. So today what we're going to be doing is if you take a look down right away, you can take a look. I actually have it all scribed out already. What I'm going to start doing today is I'm going to actually start milling out the internals for where the guide rod and the main, or the spring, the guide rod spring are going to be for the recoil spring. So that's where we're going to be heading next, and we're going to get this set up here, get this bad boy moving, see what we got going here. This bad boy moving here. Get it cutting. Take it on a little bit at a time till we get where we need to be. Right about there seems good, and we'll just slowly start taking some off here. And because we're not level yet, I gotta take my time, take a little bit off at a time, and as I go down, I'll start taking more and more off. But when I stop cutting, I back out completely, take her down a couple of thousandths, go in again. And every time I go in, I'm taking off a little bit more, and I'm going a little bit further. Please note, if you're going to do this, always make sure you go completely off the piece before you change the deck. Back out completely. Drop it down a couple of times. I know it seems like it's a pain in the ass, but at the end of the day, this is going to be a quality firearm when I get done making it. And that's kind of what the point is. I want it to be the highest quality possible. And if I got to take my time and make sure it's done right this way, it's the way I got to do it. At least that's the way I feel about it. All the way out. Down a couple of thousandths. Back in we go. Down a couple thousandths. Almost to where I need to be. So if we take a look, what we did here is we started making the cav, or the I guess the carve out that we're doing. We're carving out the internals. We're starting there. Well, all we have to do is go to right here where I scribed. Now I'm going to change the bit out here to a different bit, which would be this rounded bit here. And this rounded bit is going to fit right in here, and it's going to sit nice and centered right where it needs to sit. So when I start milling this, it's going to mill out nice and clean. But my next issue is that I have to deal with is I have to get this all leveled. That's going to be my biggest issue, because as you can see how it's resting. It's resting on an angle almost like this. So I got to get that all leveled out first. Got to figure that out. That's going to be the next step, I guess, from here. So that's about it for now. Have a great day.